is this YEA and this platform have given us a chance and opportunity to communicate with all the delegates, all the students or colleagues all around the world.
If you remember assembly in one way of say is impact.
You will be in the UA and the CCYM in one word. I will pick the word energy.
Hola, I'm Paula from the Brazilian Amazon, and I describe the assembly as a diverse village.
Hello, I am called Ewube Kelilor Egbe. I'm from Cameroon. I am presently in Nairobi, Kenya for the Youth Environmental Assembly to speak and represent United Nations Migration, that is IOM, International Organization for Migration,